It's the Radio 104.1 Cinco de Mayo Tap Takeover Pub Crawl. Join us in downtown Hartford on Saturday, May 5th. That's Cinco de Mayo. Starting at 5. Get registered at the tavern downtown. Then we're off to Black Eyed Sally's, Pig's Eye Pub, the Rocking Horse Saloon, and we end the night at the Russian Lady. We'll have games and prizes all night, including Modelo bikes. We'll also be sipping on $4 Corona Lights, Pacifico San Modelos. It's the Radio 104.1 Cinco de Mayo Tap Takeover Pub Crawl.
Take 1, take 2, take 3. That's Route 3 to Tavern on 3.
Have you been to Tavern on 3? Enjoy the hottest new entertainment spot in all of Central Connecticut with great ambiance, fabulous food, great drink specials.
Celebrate Cinco de Mayo Saturday with $4 margaritas and Coronas all day. Live music Saturday night. Experience the difference. Tavern on 3, Route 3 at 950 Cromwell Avenue, Rocky Hill. TavernOn3.com.
Dear Mom and Dad, for my birthday this year, I want to play with all of my friends in a magical fun zone. I want fun food and crazy desserts. I want to scream and yell at the top of my lungs and laugh all day. And I want thousands of people to cheer for me. Any ideas? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Visit YargoatsBaseball.com and you'll see what I'm getting at. While you're there, sign me up for the Red Robin Kids Club. Don't forget, YargoatsBaseball.com. Sincerely, kids everywhere.
I love your new office furniture. Where did you get it?
Value Office Furniture.
You must have paid a fortune.
Nope, we always go to Value Office Furniture. Make your business better for less. Up to 70% off at Value Office Furniture now in their brand new giant location. Lower prices and a wider selection on used and new office furniture fully assembled. 22 Andover Drive, West Hartford. Online at ValueOfficeFurniture.com.
Value Office Furniture.
Listen to Radio 104.1 at home hands-free with the Amazon Echo. Just ask, play Radio 104.1 WMRQ.
Hi, I'm Lisa Dufour from the Edge Countertops. My husband Jim and I have owned and operated the Edge Countertops since 1999. We specialize in countertop needs for kitchens, baths, shower pans, outdoor patios, and many other uses. With products from Corian to granite, quartz, and recycled glass. Visit us and our team at our new showroom at 1340 East Street in New Britain. We'll help your dreams come true from start to finish. Call us at 203-237-8585. We create one thing, beautiful countertops. No stony baloney. We're online at theedgecountertops.com.
Right now, the exact radio commercial you are listening to is being broadcast on other stations, so don't even think about switching. If you switch to anything, go to Geico.com and see how easy it is to switch and save on